Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Learners Hub. আমি 1997 APSC prelims paper khonor Indian modern history পৰা আহা question answer বোৰ ডিসকাস কৰি আছিলো. So, let's start. A famous milestone of India's freedom struggle celebrated its golden jubilee in 1992. It was option A, civil disobedience movement, option B, non-cooperation movement, option C, quit India movement, option D, Dandi March. Our India's famous freedom struggler ভিতৰত এটা freedom struggle 1992 চনত golden jubilee মানে 50 years complete কৰিলে. সেই freedom struggle টোৰ আমি জানো যে silver jubilee মানে 25 years, golden jubilee মানে 50 years, diamond jubilee মানে 60 years আৰু platinum jubilee মানে 70 years. আমি question টুলে আহো এতিয়া এই freedom movement টো 50 years complete কৰিলে in 1992 মানে start হৈছিল 1992 minus 50 equal to 1942 চনত. In the last class I already showed a list where the important moment along with the year when it occurs was mentioned. As per the list, Quit India movement was the movement started in 1942. So our answer is option C, that is Quit India movement. So let's know something more about Quit India movement. Quit India movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi at Bombay session of All India Committee AICC on 8 August 1942. What are the reasons behind this movement? Failure of the Quit India mission, economic crisis due to the World War II, the threat of Japanese invasion towards India, and demands a immediate end to the British rule in India, form a provisional government of India after British withdrawal. At the time of World War II, British government want the full cooperation from India to defeat Nazi Germany led by Hitler and its allies country like Japan. And for that purpose, in 1942, Sir Stafford Cripps came to India, also known as Cripps Mission. And Stafford Cripps promised to give India Dominion status. Dominion status is like semi-independence, complete freedom নহয়. Like আমাৰ Bodoland খনৰ নিচিনা autonomous territory within the state of Assam. আৰু কিছুমান চৰ্ত আছিল যেনে ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ডিফেন্স সেনাবাহিনী remain in the hand of British government. কিন্তু মহাত্মা গান্ধী ইণ্ডিয়ান নেশ্যনেল কংগ্ৰেছ INCয়ে প্ৰপ'জেলটো ৰিজেক্ট কৰি দিলে আৰু কমপ্লিট ফ্ৰীডমৰ কাৰণে কুইট ইণ্ডিয়া মুভমেণ্ট ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিলে ইন 1942. এইখিনিতে আৰু এটা কথা, কাৰণ এই ডমিনিয়ন ষ্টেটাছৰ কনচেপ্টটো বহুত পুৰণা হৈ গৈছিল. During civil disobedience movement in 1930, Indian demands for dominion status. Under Nehru report, they demand it, but British government reject it that time. Now Indian in 1942 demand for Purna Swaraj, complete freedom, no dominion status. Economic crisis due to the World War II. Definitely economic crisis হবই এখন যুদ্ধ হলে. And due to that, hatred feelings increases towards British government of India. During World War II, জাপানে গোটেই এছিয়াখন ৰাজত্ব কৰিব বিচাৰিছিল আৰু ইণ্ডিয়াক নিজৰ অধীনত অনাৰ কাৰণে ইণ্ডিয়াৰ অভিমুখে ৰাওনাও হৈছিল. INCয়ে মানে ইণ্ডিয়ান নেশ্যনেল কংগ্ৰেছে এই সুবিধাতে, কাৰণ এটেক হৈ গ'লে ইণ্ডিয়ানৰ ছাপোৰ্ট লাগিবই, ব্ৰিটিছ ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ওপৰত প্ৰেছাৰ ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কুইট ইণ্ডিয়া মুভমেণ্ট ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰি দিলে. Give us complete freedom or we will not support you against Japan. সেই সময়ত famous slogan asil Mahatma Gandhi's do or die. And this is the story of Quit India movement. So our next question is, the civil disobedience movement was launched in AD. AD mane hol Anno Domini mane year. Our options are 1905, 1920, 1930 or 1940. We have already discussed a little bit about civil disobedience movement, and the correct answer is 1930, the option C. Let's know something more about civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi on March 12, 1930. Gandhi set out from Sabarmati with 78 followers on a 241 miles march to the coastal town of Dundee on the Arabian Sea. So it is also known as Dundee March. Gandhi took British monopoly on salt, British Salt Act, as a national issue for the struggle. Background: to prepare Constitution of India, Secretary of State of India Lord Birkenhead appointed Sir John Simon, and Simon came to India. Lord Birkenhead made statement that Indians are not capable enough to make their own constitution, so he appointed Simon Commission. Congress boycotted the commission at every stage and every form, as there was no Indian representative. In 1928, Indian National Congress session at Kolkata, under the presidency of Motilal Nehru, took the statement as a challenge and prepared Nehru Report. In Nehru Report, INC asking for dominion status, and 1 year grace period was given to government to accept the proposal. In between, Viceroy Irwin invited Indian organization for roundtable conference after submission of Simon Commission report and rejected the demand of Nehru Report. On March 12, 1930, Gandhi led the Dundee March from Sabarmati Ashram to the sea coast near the village of Dundee. In this journey of 24 days and covering a distance of 390 kilometers, thousands of people joined him. He reached Dundee on April 6, 1930 and broke the salt law. This triggered the civil disobedience movement, and millions of Indians jumped into this struggle. Agendas are: break the salt law, non-payment of land revenue taxes, boycott of courts of law, legislature, government services, elections, government functionaries, schools and colleges. Peaceful picketing of shops that sold for foreign goods, mass strikes and processions, but the movement could not build the tempo and was failed within a few months. Officially, the civil disobedience movement was suspended in May 1933, and it was finally withdrawn in May 1934. Simon came to India to make Constitution of India, as they think Indian can make their own constitution, and did not take any Indian representative. Amare constitution banabo aru amare kono pratitindhi nai. So Indians boycott the Simon Commission. Simon go back is the famous slogan during that time, and Motilal Nehru prepared a report known as Nehru Report in 1928. In Nehru Report, INC demand for dominion status. We already discussed about it, but it rejected by British and implemented Simon Report. Due to that reason, Gandhiji started civil disobedience movement, also known as Dundee March in 1930. Gandhiji এই মোমেন্টটো সল্টক ইস্যু কৰি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিল যাতে মোমেন্টটোত বহুত মানুহ জড়িত হয়। এইখিনিতে মই এটা কথা ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে আমি APSCৰ 1997ত অহা কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰবোৰ ডিছকাছ কৰি আছোঁ। আৰু কুৱেশ্যনবোৰৰ এগেইনষ্টত যিটো এনচাৰ সেইটো আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিছোঁ এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ ইয়াতে এটা কাম হ'ব যে তোমালোকে এইখিনি ইনফৰমেশ্যন চিষ্টেমেটিক ৱেত মানে হিষ্টৰী আকাৰত মনত ৰখা ফৰ এক্সাম্পল মহাত্মা গান্ধীয়ে চিভিল ডিছঅবিডিয়েণ্ট মুভমেণ্টটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিছিল ইন 1930 এগেইনষ্ট চাইমন ৰিপৰ্ট এণ্ড টু কাউণ্টাৰবেক দিছ ৰিপৰ্ট মতিলাল নেহেৰু অলছ' প্ৰিপেয়াৰ্ড এ ৰিপৰ্ট which is known as Nehru Report, where Indians demands for dominion status. Tar pisot during the time of World War II in 1942, Crip mission came to India for the support of India in World War II and promises to give dominion status to Indians. But India rejected the proposal and started the Quit India movement in 1942 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. So this is the way you should memorize the things. Example to pora eitu bhabi noloba je 1930 civil disobedient movement aru 1942 sonor Quit India movement or majot eku lekhot lobologia incident hoa nasil. Bahut important struggle and movement policies ase jibur ami question answer hisapot discuss kori jam. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share our channel. And if you have any doubt, just write it down in the comment section below. And I will try my best to provide the answer as soon as possible. Keep in touch. Bye bye.